Now that we have those stock figures dialed in, it's time to connect directly to the ECU using our Auto Tuner tool, where we can read and then write our custom mapping files. This customer opted for our linear and max tunes applied to the sport and non-sport modes, giving flexibility and full use of that sport mode. Now let's see what that looks like on the dyno. So let's see how that looks against stock performance, which are those red lines that we saw previously. If we first take a look at those green lines, which is when we have the sport mode disengaged, you'll see that the customer will experience stock performance up until around 3,500 RPM. It's here where the customer will see those awesome power and torque increases right up until 166 PS at its peak. This gives the customer that everyday drivability in those lower revs. But when they choose to, those increases can be felt exactly where it's needed. Now taking a look at those blue lines, which is when sport mode is selected, maximum performance is then enabled throughout the whole of the rev range, giving 324 Nm of torque and 176 PS peak power.